the beat live, you know Lil Juke made it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glam by Keisha. Yes, I am officially back on YouTube. It has been a long time since I made a YouTube video, about a year or so, a year or 11 months now. It has been a while, and that's because I opened a salon. I was going through a lot, and my headspace wasn't really right. I wasn't ready for YouTube at that time. And now your girl is back better. I have gone through a lot. I am at the point in my life where I am very settled. I don't have time for the shit. I'm good. I'm happy. I have just taken time off for myself. I've taken care of myself, like my mental. I made sure that's one thing. I didn't want to come back on YouTube and I wasn't looking my best. I wasn't feeling my best mentally and physically. Like, no. Sis done lost weight. I lost weight. I'm just like moving up in my life where I feel like I am ready for YouTube. Before, the camera, the lighting, everything wasn't right, but now, sis, we getting it all the way together, okay? We getting it all the way together. We are here. We are successful. We are blessed. It's 2020, even though all the nonsense going out in the world. But guess what? We still gonna be out here winning. If you guys hear any crying in the background, that's my son. He wants to be in the video, but not today. Not right now. So I did this, I consider this my everyday glam. Not everyday glam, but this is like my go-to look that I normally do on myself when I'm going out. I normally don't do all the colors, but baby, we are about to put the skills to the test, okay? Okay. So I feel cute. This is the type of makeup look that you need in your life. When you know you're cute, like you're cute. You know you're cute. You don't care. Like, sis, nobody can tell you nothing. Just tell yourself you're cute, sis. That's it. If you want to see how I achieve this look right here, be sure to stick around till the end of this video, baby. Okay? And since you're still here, girl, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, because we're about to get it things, okay?
This sounds amazing.
so cute. Like, I feel cute. Okay? Subscribe down below. Share. See you in the next video, guys. Mwah.